So hi, I'm Mathew Glodack. I'm a developer at Procore Technologies. Here's some of my information. And we're located in Santa Barbara, California. And we build construction management software that helps build the world. And from our suite of clients that we have, one of them is a WPF client. And imagine this building a little bit more modern, built in today's age. And there's an incredible amount of work that goes into that, and we help that process. And for a WPF client, there is an immense amount of documents that go into building a building, and our client makes sure that those files get there. It's pretty much a file uploader, but it's extremely important for our customers to have all those files at their access. So here's this is what I first imagined construction looking like, but it's probably a little bit different. Cool. So at Procore, we're an Agile company, and a short definition of what our Agileness is like is we ship often, and we ship often because we want that feedback from our customers extremely fast. But our team didn't fit within that Agileness. We were a lot slower, and just to give you some stats, we ship 6 times in 8 months, which is extremely poor for our team, not being able to catch up with everyone else from a Rails app or the iOS guys. And so through some retros, we kind of found out like some reasons why we weren't able to ship as often as we were. And you know, a couple of those things were, number one, our customers during our current installer, their workflow was interrupted. And so from previous installers, you would have to launch the app, you get an update, you have to say, shut down my app, and then it'd uninstall that instance, and then reinstall a new instance. That was horrible. So number two, from a developer standpoint, it was extremely painful that we were bottlenecked by our installer, that we forced ourselves to make our updates this big, giant event where we're shipping, you know, not just small bug fixes, we're building features, and we're not able to get that feedback from our customers fast because we're only shipping once a month. So we investigated in this idea of, you know, can we build this background installer? And you know, at the time, it seemed like Microsoft should have provided the solution for us to do that, but that wasn't the case. So we found out there was an installer called Squirrel, and it did background updates just like we wanted, but it fell short to our customers. And so we had to make the decision, do we build our own background installer? And we did. 2 things we got out of it. We improved we called this thing Bobcat, and it took a lot of inspiration from Squirrel. And 2 things that we got out from it were, number 1, we improved our customer experience. Number 2, our development process was a lot nicer. We made shipping part of our development workflow. So as of right now, Bobcat's not open source, but it will be by the end of this quarter. So if you guys want to check it out, there's another member who's contributed. His name's Andrew Seward. He's here. If you want to Slack bomb him, please do that. If not, I'm Mathew Glodack. I work at Procore Technologies down in Santa Barbara, California, and we're hiring.